Tesla versus Xpeng rivalry just left EV-Track. Entered stranger race, humanoid robots. Both betting next product won't be cars. Will be companions that walk, talk, think. And what they're building sounds impossible. The Westworld moment. Xpeng revealed Iron Humanoid. Feminine variant. Freakishly lifelike catwalk. Video clips made rounds on social media. People couldn't believe it was real. Tesla's robot doesn't walk this smoothly. Impossible. It must be a human. Conspiracy theories exploded. Xpeng went to unusual lengths countering skeptics. Shared video with CEO Xpeng appearing amused reading doubter comments. Then released dramatic footage backing authenticity claims. Engineers undressing humanoid. Cutting through synthetic skin with scissors. Revealing mechanical internals underneath. Moment that could define this era, robot walking on stage with metallic lower leg exposed. Half machine. Half biological aesthetic. Fully functional. Xpeng says Iron not just machine, but companion built with purpose. Xpeng's robot origins. Launched 2014 as EV-Maker, formally ventured into robotics 2020. Acquired Shenzhen startup focusing on robotics development. Inherited founder Xiao Tongyang. Led humanoid program through early iterations. Left 2023 starting Engine AI. That startup also encountered skeptics when introducing humanoids. Because of lifelike bipedal locomotion, Xpeng unveiled new improved Iron year after introducing first version with more industrial aesthetic, built with human-like spinal column. Updated robot stands 178 centimeters, 5 feet 10 inches, weighs about 70 kilograms, 154 pounds. 3 Turing AI chips deliver more than 2,200 TOPS of compute, about same amount required for self-driving car. Iron's capabilities. Exoskeleton made from lightweight composite materials. Panels resembling biological human muscles rather than machinery. Skin has tactile sensing. Helps robot interact naturally with surroundings and people. Xpeng claims Iron can already perform complex actions. Guided by vision language action model. Same AI powering rival humanoids from engine figure Tesla. Humanoid will be among first running on solid-state batteries. Analysts predict could become norm. Improved safety. Durability. Energy density compared to traditional lithium cells. Hands have reported 22 degrees of freedom. Matches dexterity of Gen 3 Tesla bot that Elon Musk hoped to reveal by now. Xpeng's commercial plans. Commercial plans aggressive. Xpeng aims achieving mass production by end of 2026, starting with scaled-down variant under 170 centimeters, 5 feet 7 inches. Company plans offering masculine and feminine variations, supporting customization. Available in different colors. Black variant shown. While Xpeng initially emphasized Iron's capabilities on production floor, initial applications will be public-facing roles. Sales. Customer service. Pricing hasn't been revealed, but on average, Xpeng's cars about 15 to 30% cheaper than Tesla models in China. Safe to assume will be lower than Tesla's target of around $20,000 once production scaled. Tesla's Optimus ambitions. During Tesla's latest shareholder meeting, Musk said company building first large-scale production line for Optimus. Fremont, California factory, aiming for capacity up to 1 million units per year. Once we reach about 1 million units per year of sustained production, or in excess of that, I think probably cost of production around $20,000 in current year dollars. Next step, line at Gigafactory, Texas, capable of scaling to 10 million units annually. For now, EV-Maker operating prototype production line in Fremont for research and development. Musk clearly celebratory mood. Shareholders just approved performance compensation plan. Could make him world's first trillionaire. Passed with 75% shareholders voting in favor. Package ties Musk's earnings entirely to Tesla's market performance and growth milestones. If those milestones achieved, then Elon Musk would get full payout of those shares, which would be worth $1 trillion. But that's big if. Company's stock price has to increase by 466%. Optimus AS Tesla's future. Heading into 2026, Musk framing Optimus as central pillar of Tesla's next phase. Described extremely broad range of roles Tesla bot could fill, from replacing human labor in manufacturing and logistics to personal companionship to medical care. With humanoid robots, you can actually give everyone amazing medical care. Optimus will ultimately be better than best human surgeon with level of precision that isn't possible, that is beyond human. Even suggested could upend prison industrial complex. We may be able to give people more if somebody's committed crime, more humane form of containment of future crime. Like you now get free Optimus and it's just going to follow you around and stop you from doing crime. Parole violation detected. But other than that, you get to do anything. Musk reiterated belief humanoid robots like Optimus could unlock Age of Abundance. Describes robot as civilization-scale multiplier with potential to deliver near-limitless productivity. Musk's vision of future. During recent appearance on Joe Rogan podcast, Musk insisted widespread automation only way to get to what he called universal high income. Working will be optional because you'll have robots plus AI. In benign scenario, anyone can have any products or services that they want. Also caution things could turn dystopian. Like one of possibilities is Terminator scenario. It's not 0%. In long term, Musk said Optimus could integrate with Neuralink. Host digital versions of human consciousness. Essentially unlocking digital immortality. As predicted by futurist Ray Kurzweil in The Singularity is Near. Neuralink already begun testing integration with robotic arm for patients to control movements directly with thoughts. Tesla initially intended manufacturing as many as 10,000 humanoids in 2025, but those plans pushed into 2026. Musk cited supply chain issues and design challenges with robots' dexterous end effectors as biggest hurdles. Optimus 2.5 demonstration. At shareholder event, Tesla showcased latest iteration of flagship humanoid. Musk calls Optimus 2.5. Demonstrated dancing capabilities. Learned through video data from human demonstrations. 4 years after Tesla first announced humanoid ambitions with dancing cosplayer in lieu of physical prototype. Musk said Generation 3 Tesla bot will be unveiled first quarter 2026. Predicting general public would be blown away by its realism. Has said in past that Catwoman-like variant inevitable. Though humanoids get headlines, four-legged counterparts ones with most tailwind heading into 2026. Pretty much every major Chinese robotics firm ramping up production of quadruped models. Costs collapsing at pace rest of world can't match. China's affordability advantage. While pushing boundaries of robot intelligence on software side, China making serious moves on hardware front, especially when it comes to price. Country just unveiled what's being called world's cheapest humanoid robot, not toy or proof of concept. Real walking talking humanoid called Boomy, created by startup named Notix Robotics. Boomy costs only $9,981, that's $1,370. Stands at just over 3 feet tall, about 94 centimeters. Weighs around 12 kilograms, about 26.5 pounds. Tiny compared to full-size robots like those from Unitree or UB Tech. But that's point. Notix isn't trying competing with big industrial machines. Opening whole new category. Small, lightweight, affordable humanoids built for education and home use. Despite size and price, Boomy can walk, balance, even dance. Does all that with surprising smoothness. Early videos show moving with level of stability wouldn't expect from something under $1,400. Cheaper than flagship iPhone or high-end drone. Boomy's market strategy. Company says first consumer-grade humanoid priced below 10,000 yuan. Could mark turning point for whole industry. Most humanoid robots capable of walking or dynamic motion still cost tens of thousands in China, even more in West. Boomy's low price comes from clever design choices. The strength test. From small friendly robots to one showing pure strength and precision. At Beijing Academy of Artificial Intelligence, researchers took Unitree G1 Humanoid and gave challenge. Pull car, not toy car, real one. G1 weighs just 35 kilograms, stands about 132 centimeters tall, yet managed pulling vehicle weighing 1,400 kilograms across flat surface. Granted, car was on smooth ground, friction low, but still, balance and control required next level. What's impressive isn't just that robot could move car, but how it did it. Video shows leaning back sharply, moving feet rapidly maintaining traction, constantly adjusting staying upright, doing all that autonomously. Fact, it can dynamically balance itself while hauling load roughly 40 times its own weight shows how far motion control and feedback systems have come. The race intensifies. Tesla versus Xpeng. Optimus versus Iron. Both aiming mass production 2026. Both promising companion robots that walk, talk, think. Tesla betting on scale. Million units per year, eventually 10 million. Xpeng betting on aesthetics, lifelike movement, human connection. Meanwhile, China deploying affordable alternatives. Boomy at $1,370. Demonstrating strength with G1. Question isn't whether humanoid robots coming. Question is which approach wins, American scale or Chinese speed, manufacturing powerhouse or design excellence, universal high income or affordable companions? And are we ready for a world where robots outnumber humans? If this changed how you see robot future, smash that like button. Subscribe so you don't miss what happens next in this race. Comment below, Team Optimus or Team Iron? Which robot would you want in your home? Thanks for watching. See you in next one.